Once you launch AutoCAD, you will see this screen, which is called home screen or welcome screen. So here we have recent documents. All right. So here you can change the display of them. You want to see the icon and the description. You can also, if you want to see the list preview, it will show you the list preview. If you click here, it will show you only the icon preview. If you want to work with the recent documents, you just can open and work with. And here we have get started, means you can create a new document from here, new drawing file from here. When you click on this icon, start drawing, so it will give you a new drawing file. Right, in AutoCAD we work on a drawing file, and the extension of AutoCAD file is DWG. When you saw the file name .dwg, DWG means drawing, and that would be the file of AutoCAD. All right, then how you can recognize also. Okay. Again, if you want to go back to welcome screen, just click on the start file tab. So you will be back to the home screen. What else we can do with this? All right, you can also, if you are connected with the internet and you have the licensed version, then you can connect with the community of the AutoCAD. You can share your projects. You can get feedback as well. So here we have start drawing, new drawing you can create. As we have seen, you can open also any file which you have already saved directly, or you received from client. You can open that file in AutoCAD. All right. If you want to learn, you can click here. So it will show you some lecture from the Autodesk company. You can also watch these lectures for your review. I go to create panel, and here you can create a different drawing. Okay, so I will click on the create. You can choose also template. By standard we are using AutoCAD template, which is good for working in 2D and 3D as well later. I will click here, so new drawing will be created. You can create many drawing as you want. So before we have created drawing 1, then drawing 2. There are many ways to create a drawing file. First way, this one which we have seen, just go to start panel and click here, new drawing. You can also click on this plus icon. When you click on this plus icon, the new drawing will be added. All right. If you right click on the drawing tab, you will get a lot of option as well. You have new drawing. You can create also new drawing and choose a CAD template. Then new drawing will be created as well. When you right click on file tab, you can open also any existing file, and you can right click. You can save as, all are editing commands. You can use, you can close all as well. I will do close all. For example, all drawing will be closed at once. So again, you can create a new drawing file. That's how you can create and close. You can go this application icon also. You can also create from here new and new drawing file. You can open also. So there are many various ways, all right, to work with, to create a new drawing in AutoCAD. Once you have created this drawing file, you will see this is called the interface of the AutoCAD. Before was the home screen, welcome screen. Then after creating document, you will see interface of AutoCAD. Okay, we are going to see what is this actually. So first of all, we have application icon. Here it will show you the modification command or editing command. You can save as, new, export. We'll see one by one all these command as well. For now, you can just create a new drawing file and choose a CAD, and you will create a new drawing file in AutoCAD. Then we have here, which is called quick access toolbar, from here to here. All right, this one. Why is called quick access? Because you can quickly access tools from here. And most frequently used tools will be here. And you can customize it as per your requirement. You just click on this drop down menu. From here you can also, when you will launch first time AutoCAD, you will not see this option here, workspace. All right, this one, it will be like this. So you can add more commands to this quick access by workspace. So it will be added workspace. All right, here you can add also the match properties, the many commands. When you will like going through the AutoCAD, then you can add most frequently used command into this quick access toolbar, so that you can customize this one. All right, for now we will add only the workspace, so we can change workspace from here. If you want to change workspace, you can go 3D modeling like this, so it will change the whole workspace like this. you can come back to drafting and annotation. Since this drafting and annotation workspace we use for 2D works. 2D means 2 axis, 2 dimension x and y. 3D means 3 dimension x, y and z, right? So in start we are working in 2 dimensions, so we'll choose drafting and annotation workspace. So it will show us the tools which are used in 2D work purpose, okay? Sorry. So then we have AutoCAD 2006. This is title bar, and here it will show you the software name and the drawing file name and its extension. All right. Then we have tabs. This is called tabs, and each tabs has its own ribbon. Like this is home tab and this is home ribbon. Then we have insert tab and insert ribbon. And annotate tab and its annotate ribbon. All right. And each ribbon is divided into panels. For example, home tab, its ribbon, and it's divided into panel. Draw panel, modify panel, annotation, layers, blocks. Probably these all panels we are going to study in 2D. When you click on this drop down, right here, you will see more commands related to this panel. Like draw panel has more command. If you want to pin this, just click on this pin, so it will keep open. Like this, so you can expand also like this, so it will keep open. So you can expand your ribbon in such a way. You can click back to unpin and unpin, so it will go back to the ribbon. If some tabs are missing, right, for example, right click, then here we have show tabs and show panels as well, right, show panels title as well, right, unlock you can do, close you can also. For example, show tabs, if you want to work in 2D and 3D together, you can add 3D tab and it will show you 3D tools as well. If you want to close, just right click, show tab, and you can also just uncheck this one. Okay, so if you cannot see the specific tab or panel, you just right click on tab and you can customize from here, show tabs and panels. Okay. Then we have drawing tabs. These are called drawing tabs. We have start tab, drawing 6 and drawing 7. So if you have multiple drawings, you can just navigate between this drawing file. Then we have view controls. This one we are going to use in 3D. If you click, we have here top, bottom. If you will create any object we want to see from different view, you can select any view from here. And also we have visual style. This is also we are going to study in 3D, okay, not in 2D, okay. And then we have here, which is called view cube. This view cube also we are going to study in 3D, not in 2D, because from different, for example, just now if you click here, now you will see your workspace will be converted into 3D. Now we have y-axis, x-axis and z-axis, and if you did like this, just click on top, you will be back to, all right, this one. Then we have navigation pan. Okay, in navigation pan you can just use this hand tool to pan the screen, all right, and also you can use zoom extend, and here orbit tool which we use in 3D. So view cube, and here we have a navigation pan. The most important part of AutoCAD is this command line bottom, because whatever you do in AutoCAD will be showing off here in command line, right? For example, if you will take a line command from here, just click on the ribbon, you have taken line command. So this command line will tell you, all right, you have chosen the line command. Okay, this one you can see this black, the bold one is a line command. And the command line will guide you what to do. Like here you can see it's asking you specify first point. So you specify. AutoCAD is very easy. If you just follow the command line, it will ask you what to do. So again it's asking specify next point. Okay, I specified, and specify next and next. And if you read carefully, it's saying specify next point, or you can do also this action. You can close, all right, these are called sub commands. You can close and you can undo. If you click on undo, you will back, all right. If you click on close, so it will close the last point with the first point you started, all right. We can access also the commands by typing in. If you click line, the shortcut key is L, or you can type line in the command line bar, so it will suggest you to line command and press enter. Now the line command active. Then you can start again and like this, all right, like this, and you can create. If you want to close, okay, you can click on this to activate this command. You can click on this, or you can use the shortcut key. You can, if you can see here, we have one blue highlighted character, like C is blue highlighted for the close and U is blue highlighted for the undo. If you press C from the keyboard, all right, like here you can see here in dynamic input, all right. So if you press enter, now you will see it's closed, all right. When you are taking line, and now you can see it's giving you the options to put the values near the cursor, like you can see 1.44 is actually the length of the line. Look, now it's showing you length of the line is 1.7992 units, all right. So if you want to put value direct near the cursor, you can put like 2 units, all right, the enter, then the length of this line is 2 units. So this is called dynamic input, all right. If you, and also it will guide you, the length is this and angle is 26, and specify next point. So you can specify next point, or you can click down arrow, all right, down arrow to access more commands. So you can close, you can undo as well, all right. If you close and enter like this, it will be closed, all right. If you want to repeat last used command in AutoCAD, if you want to repeat last used command, what to do? Just right click, and here you have repeat last used command line, then you can repeat it, all right. If you want to cancel any command in AutoCAD, you have to press escape key. How you will get to know you are in some commands or you are a neutral? Look at here in command line, the still if something is there means you have the command is active. If you want to cancel the command, just press escape. When you press escape, then command has been cancelled, and it will show you also cancel. So we use escape again and again to cancel the command, all right. I will take again the line command, okay. As I told you, to repeat you can do right click, or you can press enter or space bar. Enter and space bar is the same. Click here, then first point, specify first point like this, and you can close and enter or escape, cancel, all right. Again want to repeat the last use command, press space bar. Now line been repeated, all right. So any last use command you can repeat, okay. And you can right click also, then you can enter or cancel the command. If you don't want to press escape, just cancel the command will be cancelled, all right. That's how you can take command. Then down to command line, okay, we have status bar, and here we have many switch. We have tabs, which is model tabs, layout tabs. We can draw many layouts to print, all right. In model we do modeling, we draw, all right. And next we have status bar, and here we have many switches, controls. You can switch on and off. For example, here first switch we have display drawing grid. If you click here, if it's gray means the switch is off. If it's blue means switch is on, right? If you want to show and hide grid, just click here like this, show and hide. All switches are here. We will see all of them one by one. If some switches are missing, when you will start first time, you can click on this fly out menu, and from here you can just add the switch on the taskbar. One switch, for example, we have if you are taking line, and you can see the values you can enter near the cursor, which is called dynamic input, okay. From in the start or beginner, use this one to enter value near the cursor, but the professional people don't bother it, so they can switch off from here, dynamic input. If you click here, now if it's a gray, it is switched off. Now you can see, you cannot see any value near the cursor, so you can work also without dynamic input, all right. Okay, that's how this is the introduction of interface. If something is missing in your layout, so you can go to view tab. In view tab you can show and hide. For example, UCS, user coordinate system, you can show and hide. View cube, if you are not working on 3D, you can hide it also, no need. You can hide navigation bar also if you are not working. Then we have viewport configuration, all right, we will study this later. And then you have file tabs, and many times students are asking file tabs are not coming. Just go to view menu and click file tab. Alright, then file tab will be visible. And also layout tab, if not coming, you can also click here layout tab. And properties panel also sometime missing. You can take this properties panel here. Now your interface is complete. You can go home back, and here sometime also some students are asking, like, we cannot see ribbon, and look at the end of the tab, and here you can minimize ribbon to tabs, so it will show you only the tabs. If you want wide drawing area, you can choose like minimize to panel title. If you click on this button, you can also change the different layouts. So from here you can change if the not coming. All right. So that's how you can manage the interface of the AutoCAD. All right. Now we will start something drawing in AutoCAD. So you can take a line command from here. Okay. You can start from here. Right. And as the line command is asking you, specify next point. If you want straight line in AutoCAD, now we don't have straight line. So you can choose the one switch which is called ortho mode. Ortho mode, the shortcut key is F8, which restricts you to draw straight line. And also switch on this dynamic input also, so that it will show you the length of the line as well. For example, I will do escape and select and cancel, delete, and line for L, press L and enter. Then you can specify. For example, I want 3 unit line horizontally like this. And vertical you want 2 units like this. Alright, then you want again 3 unit this side. Alright, then you can close C and enter. So it will be closed. So you can specify also. This is called direct distance entry method. Alright, so you can click, you can define the direction with the help of mouse. For example, click and like this. And you can input value like 1 unit, alright, then come down, then 1 unit, and then move cursor this side 1 unit, and then close. Then this is cube 1 by 1, right? So that's you can use also. Next week, how we can select object in AutoCAD, very important, because the first rule is select it to affect it. So if you want to select any object in AutoCAD, just click once on them. Once you clicked, its line has been individual segment will be selected. You can, for multiple selection, no need to hold any combination key. Just click like this, continue to click. It will continue to add to selection. You can see the plus sign near this pick box. This plus sign will show you are going to add to selection. Alright, if you have selected by mistake this line, if you want to deselect it or subtract from the selection, so hold shift key, then it will show you minus sign, and you click, you can deselect as well like this. Hold shift key, you can also deselect like this. Okay, now if you want to delete, you want to move, you want to copy, you can do, I will delete from the keyboard, or you can do right click and you can erase also, so that object will be erased which 2 lines you have selected. Alright. Okay, in AutoCAD we have other option to selection also. For example, this is the universal selection method you will see in all software. When you click and release mouse, okay, click first time, release mouse. When you drag towards left side, you will see the green box. When you drag towards right side, you will see the blue box. These two are different selection method. Many students doesn't know about them. So if you drag towards left side, so this method is called cross selection method. Cross selection method means if it will touch any edge of the object, the whole object will be selected. And mostly we use this cross method. For example, I click here. Now you can see I am just selecting the edge of 2 lines. When you click, the whole complete line will be selected. The most escape to deselect, alright, escape to deselect, like this cross method. Okay, cross method, just click this green. If you will touch any edge of the object, the whole object is going to select. That's why it's cross object. But on the other hand, look, maybe you are thinking same thing you are doing, but now this time box is blue. But when you click here, look, nothing is selecting. Why? Because this blue method is called, when you click and drag towards right side, is called window selection method. Window selection method means the whole object will not be selected until it comes in the frame. So if you want to select any object, it should come completely inside window, then it's going to select. Now you will see only one line is coming inside window frame, so that line will be selected. Now maybe you ask when we use this window method. For example, many times we have like small objects like this. Now we have line on the line, or even we have like this small object like this. So if you use cross method like this, so it's going to select everything. Now if you use window selection method like this and you cover whole objects, only that object will be selected. Alright. And students do also this mistake. They click and hold. Alright. They click and hold and drag. This is called polygon method. Don't do like this. So you have to click, and this is called cross selection method. This one window selection method. When you click and hold, this one is polygon cross method. When you click and hold this side, this is called polygon window method. Right. So be careful while. So this is selection also very important in AutoCAD. You can also use the shortcut key select, 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 and click OK. Then it will ask you select object. You can click, or you can write also all. So all objects will be selected, whatever you have drawn on the screen. Or you can use Control A key also. Control A to select all objects. So there are many methods to select objects. So for example, Control A to select all, and right click you can erase also. The shortcut key for erase is E. When you press E from the keyboard, then you can delete all objects. You can erase all objects from the screen. Alright. That's how you can select the objects in AutoCAD. Alright. One thing I forgot to tell you. For example, if you want to zoom in and out, use scroll wheel to zoom in and out in AutoCAD. Scroll wheel from the mouse. And if you click on scroll wheel, you can pan your screen. Mostly we use this zoom in and out. Hold the key to pan the screen. Alright. Okay. Now we will start our first drawing in AutoCAD. So if you want to start first drawing in AutoCAD, first thing first, you have to set the units of measurement. Because without specifying units of measurement, you cannot work, right? Of course, you have to specify units. So specify units of the measurement. You have to take command. UN is a shortcut key for the units command. Click enter, and you will see the drawing units dialog box. From here we will choose the units of measurement, and we have length, alright, first of all, and from here we will choose which units we are going to choose. If you are working in civil or architecture, or if you want to work in feet and inches units, then we choose architectural, or we choose engineering. Two units we will select when we are going to work in feet and inches. Right. So what is difference in engineering and architectural? When you click architectural, just look at here sample output. Alright. In architectural, when you will choose, the sample output values will be in fractions like 1/2 for the half. But when you select engineering, so it will not show you in fractions. Alright. Not 1/2. It will 1/5. So it's your own choice. You can, if you want to work in feet and inches, you will choose architecture, and insertion scale you will choose inches. For example, if you will insert one unit without any sign, it will be considered as inches. So if you want to work in metric unit, write millimeter, centimeter, alright, and meter, take decimal. Take decimal, choose precision from here, and then from here you will choose like centimeter, millimeter, and insertion scale you have to choose. Then lighting unit, no need to change from here anything. Angle we always measure in decimal degrees. Precision always this we choose for the angle. So no need to change this, only we have to change for the length. For example, now I want to work in centimeter, or even you can take millimeter as well. It's your own choice, depend on the project requirement. So now I will take, for example, centimeter and click OK. Now unit has been set into centimeter. Now if you will take line command from here, then click like this, and now you will see it is showing you this units in centimeter. Now here I can specify like 30 centimeter. So this line is 30 centimeter. Then you want like 10 centimeter like this. Then you can move 30 centimeter. Then you can close like this. If you want to check either is 30 or not, you can use distance command. Or you can go to measure, and here we have distance. Click here and click on this first point and the last point, so it will show you the 30. Right? Same, once finished, escape. Again, you can go measure and distance, and from here to here. And this is actually for you only. Alright, so that's how you can measure. Now you can, for example, if you want to draw anything, alright, in AutoCAD, first of all, you have to draw units. Right? For example, if you want to make this monitor screen, you have to measure it in centimeter. Alright, then you can choose it. Okay, for example, line we have here, and we'll measure like 20, 20, 22, then we have like, for example, like 18. Alright, then you have 22, and you have close like this. Right? Like this you can also make. Then line, for example, you can take from here, and you have like 2 centimeter. Then you can move also the same. You can close here, and again from here, and you can just make 2 centimeter. Then you can move up and you can close here. Right? Then you can move here like 2, and here. Then you can just close here, and here use 2 centimeter again and just close here. Right?